हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मेरा विद्यार्थी आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू लर्न इंग्लिश easily and speak English fluently. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first sentence. The first sentence is यह सुंदर है. It means this is beautiful. This is beautiful. The second sentence is यह एक मजाक है. It means it is a joke. It is a joke. The third sentence is मेरे साथ आइए. It means come with me. Come with me. The fourth sentence is यह कैसे काम करता है. It means how does it work? How does it work? The fifth sentence is मुझे आपकी मदद की ज़रूरत है. It means I need your help. I need your help. The sixth sentence is वह अंग्रेजी सीखने जा रहा है. It means he is going to learn English. He is going to learn English. The seventh sentence वह फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता है. It means he doesn't play football. He doesn't play football. The eighth sentence is वह मेरा भाई नहीं है. It means he is not my brother. He is not my brother. The ninth sentence is वह मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहा है. It means he is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. The tenth sentence is राम फल खरीद रहा है. It means Ram is buying fruits. Ram is buying fruits. The 11th sentence is मैंने उसे नहीं देखा. It means I didn't see him. I didn't see him. The 12th sentence is यह फिल्म मैंने देखी है. It means I have seen this movie. I have seen this movie. The 13th sentence is वह वहाँ क्या करता है. It means what does he do there? What does he do there? The 14th sentence is तुम कौन सी किताब पढ़ते हो. It means which book do you read? Which book do you read? The 15th sentence is वह हमारी मदद नहीं करेगा. It means he will not help us. He will not help us. The 16th sentence is क्या आप मुझे यह दे सकते हैं. It means can you give me this? Can you give me this? The 17th sentence is मैं आपके पैसे वापस नहीं करूँगा. It means I will not return your money. I will not return your money. The 18th sentence is आप अब जा सकते हैं. It means you can go now. You can go now. The 19th sentence is हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. It means where are we going? Where are we going? The 20th sentence is तुम मेरे पीछे आ सकते हो. It means you can come after me. You can come after me. The 21st sentence is वहाँ कौन है. It means who is there. Who is there. The 22nd sentence is तुम यहाँ कब आए. It means when did you come here. When did you come here. The 23rd sentence is मैं अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहता हूँ. It means I want to speak English. I want to speak English. The 24th sentence is आप वहाँ कैसे गए. It means how did you go there. How did you go there. The 25th and last sentence is आप मुझे सुन रहे हैं. It means are you listening to me. Are you listening to me. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the videos for more videos.